Hey there! Welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here. Here on my channel, we dive into the world of tech, science, and art. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, you'll find content tailored to your interests. From the latest tech news and important scientific developments to fascinating insights into movies and series, there's something for everyone. Let me start by telling you a bit about what inspired me to create this channel. I've always been fascinated by how technology shapes our world and how it continues to evolve at an incredible pace. Growing up, I was constantly tinkering with gadgets and learning new programming languages. This passion for technology has driven me to explore the latest innovations and share my knowledge with others. One of the main pillars of this channel is sharing the latest and most important news about technology. I'll be providing updates on the newest advancements, groundbreaking discoveries, and the impact of tech on our daily lives. My goal is to keep you informed and excited about the future of technology. In addition to tech news, we'll delve into the exciting world of science. Science is the foundation of all technological advancements, and understanding it helps us appreciate the marvels of our modern world. I'll be discussing a wide range of scientific topics, from space exploration and quantum physics to the latest breakthroughs in biotechnology. We'll explore how science impacts our daily lives and shapes our future. Art is another passion of mine that I believe complements technology and science beautifully. Art allows us to express our creativity and see the world from different perspectives. I'll be sharing interesting insights into various forms of art, including digital art, music, and literature. We'll explore how art and technology intersect and inspire each other, creating new possibilities for innovation. I'm also a huge fan of science fiction and fantasy. I love reading and discussing the latest novels in these genres. Expect reviews and recommendations of some great reads that you won't want to miss. We'll delve into the imaginative worlds created by authors and how they inspire real-world technological advancements. Movies and series are another passion of mine. I'll be sharing my thoughts on the latest releases, especially in the fantastic and science fiction realms, as well as some classics that are worth revisiting. We'll analyze how these stories reflect our societal values and technological aspirations. I'm constantly testing new AI apps and software, and I'll be sharing my experiences with you. You'll get insights into the latest AI technologies and how they can make our lives easier and more interesting. From productivity tools to creative applications, AI is revolutionizing various aspects of our lives, and I'm excited to explore these advancements with you. As someone who believes in continuous learning and personal growth, I draw inspiration from tech visionaries and Kung Fu philosophy. I'll share my journey and tips that have helped me grow both personally and professionally. Whether it's mastering a new skill or developing a positive mindset, I'll provide practical advice to help you on your path to success. While the main focus is on tech news, science, and art, I'll also be sharing tutorials about programming from time to time. These tutorials will help you understand the basics and advanced concepts of various programming languages, making learning programming accessible and enjoyable. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending journey, and as Arthur C. Clarke said, any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Embrace the magic of technology, science, and art in your life. So, if you're as passionate about tech, science, and art as I am, hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. See you in the next video.